have a killer on the loose.
Damn, Dom, you did this shit?
Try and make it off the block. Niggas never make it off that block, they just talk. Or fuck around in jail from getting popped to get popped. I ain't tryna go out like that, fuck the ops. My mama always told me fight back. They don't like that, they would like that. Ayy, try and make it off that block. Niggas never make it off that block, they just talk. Or fuck around in jail from getting popped to get popped. But I ain't tryna go out like that, fuck a op. My mama always told me fight back. To the top, headed to the top, and they don't like that. I can't stop, I can't never quit, they would like that. I gotta pop, coming for you, ready or not. To the top, started at the bottom, headed to growing the top. Up without a pops, had a nigga hurting this a lot. Shout out mom, cause she was always working hella jobs to get tripe. But that's just how it is, I guess it's life on the block. When niggas never really had a lot, it get real. Grandpa taught me how, but he ain't here and it hurt. It used to make me wanna leave this earth, what's it worth? I don't really know, I couldn't say. Hella pain, popping hella pills, it never go away, I'm fucked up. Running through these streets, going insane off the drugs. Cause where I'm from, we never get the love till we gone. But nigga, when I'm gone, it's too late. Got no love, suckers catching sluts for being two-faced on the block. Father figure really was the hood, feel like Pac. Cause I speak for those who feel misunderstood when they not surrounded, but I'm feeling all alone in my head. I be in my zone, don't hit up my phone. Make it off that block. Niggas never make it off that block, they just talk. Or fuck around in jail from getting popped to get popped. But I ain't tryna go out like that, fuck a op. My mama always told me fight back. To the top, headed to the top, and they don't like that. I can't stop, I can't never quit, they would like that. I gotta pop, coming for you, ready or not. To the top, started at the bottom, headed to the top. In that cell, I'll tee off the drugs, I wish her well, this is hell. But through it all, I still gotta prevail, I can't lose. I put the work in and I pay my dues. Pick and choose when to fuck with me, so I can't go with you, I know my worth. Took a second, felt like I was cursed, but I'm blessed. Got it tatted before I knew that for sure, that's a fact. Knew I put my city on the map, niggas care, know they hate me cause I'm living what I rap. I've been through hell, but I don't look it when these niggas glance in they fields. I was in the field and I took a chance and I won. I was trying to make it off the block, fuck a gun, you ain't catching hands, then you could get shot just for fun. I feel like I don't really have a soul in these streets, cause it's fun and games to you ain't got control and it's deep. The way that people come and people go in these streets, no one thing for sure, you reaping what you sow on that block. Niggas never make it off that block, they just talk. Or fuck around in jail from getting popped to get popped. But I ain't tryna go out like that, fuck a op. My mama always told me fight back. To the top, headed to the top, and they don't like that. I can't stop, I can't never quit, they would like that. I gotta pop, coming for you, ready or not. To the top, started at the bottom, headed to the top.
We have a killer on the loose.
Damn, Dom, you did this shit?